Hello everyone, so welcome again. So today we'll demonstrate how to make starch free rice in pressure cooker very easily. As you know that pressure cooking rice is not healthy as because starch remains in the rice as you do not drain the starch. So for starch free rice, normal people waters they do make the rice in handi or dechki and then strain the water to make it starch free. But you can do this thing in pressure cooker too. This will take very less time as compared to the open pot cooking. So what you can do, you take 1 cup of rice and soak it, wash it properly and soak it for 30 to 45 minutes. If you do not want to soak, then you can skip this step. Then you just pour the rice in a pressure cooker, suitable pressure cooker, and you just add water 4 times of the rice you have taken. So if you have taken 1 cup of rice, then you will add 4 cup of water of the same cup which you have used to measure the rice. Then just switch on the gas and place the pressure cooker and close the lid. So I'm closing the lid. So bring the pressure cooker to full whistle. So after full whistle, you just switch off the gas and wait for 8 to 10 minutes. If your rice is soaked for 30 to 45 minutes, then you can wait for 6 to 8 minutes. No problem, your rice will be ready. And if your rice is not soaked, you're just cooking the direct rice after washing, not soaking, then you just wait for another 10 minutes after switching off the gas after one whistle. So I have just soaked the rice for 30 to 45 minutes. So I will bring the pressure cooker to one whistle. I will allow one whistle to come, and then I will switch off the gas, and then we'll wait for another 10 minutes and we'll release the pressure, and will show you that how the rice has been cooked and how to drain the excess starch. So let's wait. Let's wait for the first whistle to come. So first whistle is going to blow. So I am switching off the gas after first whistle. So as the rice is soaked, so I will wait for another 6 to 8 minutes. And if the rice is not soaked, then you can wait for another 10 minutes and then release the pressure. So 6 minutes over, 8 minutes over. So some pressure is still there. So I am releasing the pressure. So you can pour some cold water into this to check frothing, as because it is rice filled pressure cooker. So releasing steam with this way can lead to frothing. Here it is not occurring, but in some cases it may occur. So you just pour some water to release the rice pressure. Now I am opening the pressure cooker. So see, so the rice has been cooked and excess starch is also there. So here you can see that how fluffy rice has been cooked. So I am going to demonstrate that how to get rid of this excess starch. So now I am going to demonstrate that how to remove the starch. So first of all, remove the pressure whistle and then remove the gasket. Okay, so now before closing the cooker, you just drain the excess water. So how you can drain? So you just use this basin and just drain this excess water like that way, so that any kind of rice shouldn't miss out. Okay, so do it very carefully. So here you can see that more 90% of the water has been removed, water with starch has been removed. So now the rest 10% of the water you have to remove. How you can do it? Just close the lid without gasket and pressure whistle, and take one clean pot and tilt the pressure cooker like that way. So this is small pressure cooker. If you have large pressure cooker with large quantity of rice, then take this vessel in large amount so that you can tilt the pressure cooker properly into this vessel. And the vessel should be clear, as because during this straining some rice can accumulate in this vessel, so you have to clean the rice and keep it back to the pressure cooker. So here you have seen that water has been removed with starch. So I am placing the cooker to its normal position like that way, and then I am collecting the rice and back it to the pressure cooker so that no rice should be lost. So after doing all this thing, I am showing you that how the rice has been prepared is very floppy, just like rice made in open pot cooking or handi cooking rice. So you can do it if you follow this procedure. So it's a very easy and very user friendly procedure. So you can follow that, and if you have any question you can ask me. I will come with another issue. So please subscribe this channel, please share this video to your friends and family. And pressure cooking, you know that it will take less time, less LPG fuel, so this leads to sustainability. So you just follow this step and make the world to a sustainable world. Okay, so thank you, bye.